Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect this Lenovo headphones to your MacBook. So first of all, we have to click and hold this power button until this indicator starts blinking on the blue and the white, just like that. Right now we have to release that button and we have to simply go for the settings. So open the settings, go for the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and then just take a look on the nearby devices and wait until our headphones pops on the list. As you can see, here it is, so tap on them once. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.